Hello, this is Joelle, and this tutorial is on how to collaborate in Cyborg Llama. So the first part of collaborating is, of course, being notified that you will be collaborating. And your project creator might do this a number of different ways. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I've imagined that maybe you'll be notified automatically by Google when a project is ready. Your project creator might decide to notify you a different way. I'll open up this email and I just see that the folder has been shared with me, and my project creator has included a link to Cyborg Llama. They may or may not do that. If they don't include a link, then you should just go to www.cyborgllama.info and click login. This time, my project creators included a link, so I'm going to delete this email. I don't need the actual email, and I'll follow the link. And you'll see that the project has been shared with you. So if this is the first time that you visited Cyborg Llama ever or in a while, you're going to need to set up and calibrate your hardware first. To learn how to do that, you can go to the tutorial page of the website and look for the tutorial, how to set up. For now, let's just move on ahead to get you started. Okay, so you click the project title. Then you'll get taken to the select group page, and here will be the area in which you will select your group. Sometimes when you get to this page, you might see a second button down here, which would say assemble, but you probably don't need to worry about that unless your project creator tells you to use it. And the button up here, it might say open, or it might say another group name like group 1 or group A, depending on how your project creator has named the projects. In any case, you'll mouse over the group and you can see the different modes that you can open to. So you got reference, practice, individual, and collaboration. So for the purposes of this tutorial, let's just choose to work in reference mode, just so I can show you how to get started. So okay, and then we will get dropped off here in reference mode. So let's just pretend I'm going to record the soprano part. So I just pushed the red record button. I'm not going to do that quite yet because the next part happens pretty fast. So I'll push the record button, and then the screen is going to come up telling me to get ready. I'm going to get a count in, and then I'm going to do my thing. Okay, so I'll press record now. So I'm going to stop it a little bit early. Of course, if I was actually trying to record, I would attempt to record for the entire duration, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'll just stop it early. So now I can listen back to myself,
2, 3, 4,
and then turn up or down the metronome volume to listen. And if I want to do it again, then I'll just push the record button, and I would say, yes, I want to record over this take. But if I'm happy with it, then I'll go over here and I'll click to save. And that's it. So that's just very quickly how to get started with collaborating on your project. Your project creator will have more specific instructions for how they would like you to work in the program. Okay, this concludes the tutorial.